Selling life insurance is a lucrative business that can be done online from the comfort of your home. In this video, we will show you step by step how to start selling life insurance and make money online. Hey there, welcome to Your Successful Life. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make money online by selling life insurance. Selling life insurance is a great way to build your own business and earn a decent income. So, let's dive in and explore the steps required to start your journey as a life insurance agent. Step 1. Get licensed. Before you start selling life insurance, you need to be licensed. Each state has different requirements for obtaining a life insurance license, but the process usually involves completing an approved pre-licensing course and passing the state exam. These courses are designed to teach you about the different types of life insurance policies, how they work, and how to sell them. You may also need to undergo a background check and pay a fee to obtain your license. Step 2. Choose an insurance company. Once you are licensed, the next step is to choose an insurance company to work with. Research different companies and choose one that offers a range of life insurance products, good commission rates, and training for their agents. It's important to work with a reputable company that has a good track record of paying claims. You can check the financial ratings of insurance companies online to ensure you're working with a stable and financially sound company. Step 3. Set up your online presence. Now that you're licensed and have chosen an insurance company, it's time to set up your online presence. This involves creating a website or social media accounts that promote your life insurance business. You can use these platforms to generate leads and attract potential clients. Your website should be professional, easy to navigate, and should clearly communicate your services and the types of insurance policies you offer. You should also include testimonials from satisfied customers to help build trust with potential clients. Step 4. Build your client base. Now that you have an online presence, it's time to start building your client base. You can generate leads through social media marketing, email campaigns, and by networking with other professionals in related fields. You can also offer free consultations or webinars to attract potential clients. Once you have leads, it's important to follow up with them promptly and provide them with the information they need to make an informed decision about purchasing a life insurance policy. Step 5. Stay up to date on industry trends. The life insurance industry is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and changes. You can do this by attending industry conferences, joining professional organizations, and reading industry publications. This will help you stay informed about new products and policies, changes in regulations, and emerging markets. Conclusion. And that's it. Those are the 5 steps you need to follow to start selling life insurance online and make money. Remember, it's important to be licensed, work with a reputable insurance company, set up your online presence, build your client base, and stay up to date on industry trends. By following these steps, you can build a successful career as a life insurance agent and earn a good income from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.